Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make your home more tech-savvy. You there, who loves technology and wants to upgrade your home. Have you ever thought about how technology can make your home more comfortable and modern? So come with me, I'll show you 5 amazing tricks. Trick number 01, Lighting Automation. With lighting automation, you can control all the lights in your home through an app on your phone. Not only is it very practical, but you can also adjust the intensity and color of the light according to your preference and need. Trick number 02, Integrated Sound System. With an integrated sound system, you can listen to your favorite music in any room of your home, with high-quality sound. In addition, it is possible to connect various devices, such as television, computer, and even musical instruments. Trick number 03, Virtual Assistant. With a virtual assistant, you can control all the smart devices in your home with your voice. You can program tasks such as turning on the light, turning on the air conditioning, and even preparing coffee, without having to move from the couch. Trick number 04, Security Cameras. With security cameras, you can monitor your home from anywhere in the world, through an app on your phone. In addition to ensuring your safety, you can check what is happening in your home in real time. Trick number 05, Cleaning Robots. With cleaning robots, you can keep your home clean without worrying about losing time cleaning. These robots are programmable and can be used on various types of surfaces, such as carpets, laminate floors, and even tiles. These were the 5 tricks to make your home more tech-savvy. So, which of these tricks did you like the most? Comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like to help us grow. See you next time.